This video is to demonstrate how to correct and fix nail pops. This is part of the maintenance and is not covered under our builder's warranty. When you find a nail pop, the first thing you want to do is dig out the drywall using a spatula, a screwdriver, whatever you have to expose the screw. All sheetrock is secured with screws, not nails. That's just a term that we're all familiar with. Once you've exposed the screw, grab a Phillips head screwdriver and then you just tighten it and just turn it a couple times. And it may be a very small turn. Some pop out more than others. And that will resecure the screw. After that, you want to pick up some spackle at your local hardware store. Any kind will do. They have one that's pink that will dry clear. That's how you know it's dry. And then you just apply the spackle to the area. Fill in the hole. Now after you apply the spackle, you'll want to let it dry for a half an hour depending on the spackle, 15 minutes. And you may have to add a second coat as it may sink in as it dries. Once it's dried, you take a light sanding block or sandpaper and lightly sand over the area to make it smooth. And after doing that, then you just apply your wall paint with a brush or roller. We recommend a roller, and make sure when you do roll it that you roll a big area, not just exactly where the repair is. And that will make sure that you don't see the spot after it dries, because paint sometimes, depending on when you apply it, won't match exactly. So that's why we recommend doing a bigger area when you do it.